bet I do.
Okay.
Chris? Hey, Taylor, just kidding, man. Just kidding. Help!
With
Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at celebrities during interviews. Like, you know, so many times interviewers say some stupid stuff, and I guess because they think the person's on camera or on stage, they won't reply. But these times, they definitely went in on their replies. Now I'm saying, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like. These are the things we want you to do right now before we even get into the video. Later, though, you can comment and tell me what you think about these clapbacks. We're just gonna get right into it as usual, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
doing press in most cases is
Oh,
part of the
shit.
job. But
I
sometimes
know Nikki was
interviewers can go a bit
rude
far
as
with their
fuck in her
questions,
interviews.
which can cause the celebrity to lose their cool or fire back at the interviewer. When Demi Lovato was leaving a store, she didn't want to answer a paparazzi's question, and that's when he said he was a fan. And well, it didn't go too well for him.
How you know what the fan is? I'm a fan too, Demi.
Name my second album.
Come on.
At the 2015 Miss Universe, the host Steve Harvey
I said, come on, you know that shit was trash. Nobody listened to that.
made a giant mess up by calling another model a winner. And
Oh
well,
my
obviously
God,
many
yeah,
models
I
didn't like
remember
the
this shit.
unprofessionalism of the event. So at the next year Miss Universe, when Steve Harvey was interviewing a model, she kinda roasted him.
I hear you spent some time in front of the camera as a TV correspondent. Any tips for me tonight?
Sure you look over your notes beforehand, and most importantly, I usually pin my hair back so it's out of my face, but I don't think you'll have that problem.
Oh my God. The mustache, though.
That's the funniest thing I've heard. Girl, you better tell these jokes.
It's no secret that sometimes female and male artists get different
Wait, who the hell is that? Is that Nikki?
treatment. During a pre-show interview with Nicki Minaj,
Damn, bro. She has changed. I mean, granted, it's been time now, but damn.
she was asked about some comments about her attitude, and that's when she dropped some truths.
I'm assertive. When a man is assertive, he's a boss.
Bossed up.
He bossed up.
Yeah, he bossed.
Oh,
negative-
shit, bro. I forgot that Safari and Nicki Minaj were a thing. Bro, what the fuck?
Connotation behind bossed up, but lots of negative connotation behind being a.
In probably one of the most
That's
iconic
true.
Kanye West interviews, he completely lost his cool at
Honestly,
the
bro, all Kanye moments are golden. I don't care.
host Sway for trying to give him advice, which Kanye didn't.
You don't
find
have
useful.
that.
And well, things got very awkward for a second.
Come and do it yourself.
How,
In fact,
Sway?
you need to take a few steps back to go.
You ain't
forward
got
to
the
step
answers,
forward.
man. You ain't got the answers.
Kanye.
You ain't got the
Yo, the way Sway said Kanye, you can see that he's just trying to plead with him. He's like, Kanye.
answers.
but
You
you-
ain't got the answers, Sway.
Kanye.
I've been doing this more than you.
Don't
You
worry
ain't
about
got-
me. Come on.
Asking someone to smile
I was like, yo, come on, I'm just trying to have a conversation.
more is usually never a good idea. When Olympic gymnast Simone Biles was asked why she wasn't smiling at some of the compliments, she responded that smiling doesn't win you gold medals.
I was waiting for you to smile at some of the compliments. You didn't.
Smiling doesn't win you gold medals.
Okay.
Let your ass
It's normal
know.
that singers can get sweaty during performances, as they have to constantly be dancing and singing. A completely crazy moment during a post-show interview with Taylor Swift happened when the interviewer suggested Taylor take a shower.
What?
We'll see you very soon. It's nice to see you. I think you need to have a shower now.
I agree.
What?
I'm not offended that you said that. There's a lot going on, and none of it's good here.
After Halle Berry was accused of leaving
I
the
mean,
scene
she didn't
after
clap
getting
back.
into a car accident, when she was invited to an interview with Howie Mandel, he made a joke of a hit and run right before Halle came on. And well, she confronted him about it.
Oh.
I'm this way, and she smashed right into me, but then she didn't say anything. She just left the scene.
I do need to address that. Because, you know, I was so shocked to come to what's like a home and be disrespected almost to my face.
When Cara Delevingne was doing press for the movie Paper Towns, she went to a morning show who didn't seem to understand her sarcastic humor, and one of the hosts even suggested her to go take a nap.
Figured as much. We figured as much.
We'll let you go then. How about that? We'll let you go take a little nap, maybe get a Red Bull. How about that?
And well, sometime after Cara Delevingne left the interview, another host said that for $5 million, she should act more excited.
You make $5 million for 6 weeks worth of work. You can pretend to talk to Good Day Sacramento with some oomph.
After Robert
Yeah,
Downey
shut
Jr.
the
was
hell
asked a
up.
question, meant to reflect on the years of acting as Tony Stark and his personal journey, the interviewer turned and asked Scarlett Johansson a disappointing question about her diet. And well,
What?
obviously,
Bro, people are so
Didn't
dumb.
like that.
To the Tony Stark character, and did you learn anything throughout the 3 movies that you made? And to Scarlett, to get into the shape of Black Widow, did you have anything special to do in terms of the diet?
I mean, really and truly, that's not the worst question, but I can see how it's like they're asking him a question where it like makes him seem super important, more important, and this is just like, oh, how did you not stay fat? Like
specific food or that sort of thing.
Like, how come you get like the really interesting like existential question and I get the like rabbit food question?
That's true.
Tarantino is one of the most known and respected movie directors of all time. When a reporter who wasn't too keen on his movies asked him about if the violence in his movies could influence kids, he had a pretty good comeback.
For so much gruesome,
What about porn?
violence. Why not let us imagine
Because it's so much fun, Jan. Get it?
Oh, really? Okay, I'd like to see you walk down the street and get attacked by some kids who've just seen your movie.
But you saw me. See, Jan, you're all messed up because you're talking about real life.
Oh,
and I'm
I see.
talking
And kids
about
at
the
12.
movies. You gotta
Kids
get
at
it
12.
straight.
With billionaires having a lot of money, they never
Still dumb.
usually go out grocery shopping. Ellen put Bill Gates in an awkward position when he was asked to guess prices of things you'll find at a grocery store.
Of course.
This nigga don't buy shit.
Rice-A-Roni would be within $1.
$5.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's cheap, no?
Let's see. Oh, it's $1.
And well, after the first guess, he just let the audience help him with the answers, which makes sense, considering he's been a billionaire for over 30 years. And
What
after
is
the segment,
$5 to
Ellen
him?
gave Bill Gates a check for $20,000.
We want to do something for you because we love you, and Shutterfly loves inspiring stories like this.
Uh-huh.
So, they want to give you a check for $20,000.
What? This thing is like 20 cents.
With Jonah Hill undergoing a body transformation,
Strange.
some people can get curious about his journey. But when an interviewer asked a question that didn't make any sense,
Well, this
Jonah
guy's
was
actually
completely
funny.
baffled.
So are you the fat guy in Hollywood still, or is everybody like look at you and they're like, oh,
Bro, who the fuck would ask that? What is wrong with people, bro? Who would ask that?
no, this is great. Now you're healthy.
Do you have any other questions?
Yeah.
A very confusing moment for Australian actress Catherine Langford happened when Jimmy Kimmel asked her where she learned to speak proper English, which confused her because she's from Australia.
Did you learn to speak English there? Is that where, I mean, like
It is.
our regular English that we speak here? Is that something you learned from watching television or from friends or studying? Or
This guy's so stupid. You meant that accent.
Justin Bieber is a celebrity who's
I
known
know,
for
yeah,
having
we know
some issues with
Justin
paparazzis in
been
the past. When he was
beefing
trying
with
to
the
get to his car,
paparazzi.
many paparazzi started to ask him questions, and that's when he asked all of them to listen. And when they finally made silence, he just shut his car door.
Yo, listen. Be careful. For real, dude. Yo.
Hold it. Yo, he's talking to you.
Listen, guys.
Go for it. Guys.
Yo.
It's no
Yeah.
secret that fans can get heavily involved in their favorite celebrities' dating lives,
I say, are you
causing
listening?
interviewers
Listen
to be
to this.
prompted to
Bang.
ask questions about it. During an interview with Rihanna, when the host brought up the topic of her relationship, Rihanna was quick to shut it down.
You're linked to another Hollywood star, and even if you've barely met them.
Very frustrating. Almost as frustrating as being asked about it.
People are interested in you. You're a big star.
They are, and they're interested in a lot of things. A lot of things that don't matter or shouldn't.
Back when Beyonce was part of a girl group, she was doing an interview with Wendy Williams when she referred to the group as Beyonce and the Girls. And that's when Beyonce asked her to put more respect on her fellow group members.
Destination Beyonce and the Girls, that you all weren't allowed to perform and do a lot of stuff.
Can you please not call us Beyonce and the Girls?
I have to.
Because that is definitely an insult to Kelly and Michelle.
A moment which an interviewer took
Yeah,
it
I know
way
what's
too
wrong with
far
Wendy.
happened at an Avengers press
Williams.
interview, in which Scarlett Johansson was asked about what she was wearing under her costume.
What?
Something that she found offensive, and definitely made the
What she
interviewer know
should.
he was out of line.
To wear undergarments? if
You're
you will?
like the 5th person that's asked
Well, no,
me that.
because
What is going on? Since when did people start asking each other about in interviews about their underwear?
Is it inappropriate?
To ask somebody what kind of underpants they wear?
Yes.
I didn't ask you what kind.
You just asked me if I was wearing any.
An intense moment to
Strange.
watch happened in an interview with NFL player Jim Rome after he messed up at the Super Bowl, and the reporter kept mocking him by calling him Chris, making reference to a tennis player, and after the 4th time, he had enough and flipped the table.
I think that you probably won't say it again. I bet I do. Okay. Chris?
Hey, Taylor, just kidding, man. Just kidding. Help!
With
That's I bet I would. Like, bro, This is the thing with people. If you're gonna talk, expect to have to back it up, or just don't talk.
Justin Bieber's career blowing up at a young age? At first, he wasn't received so well, with his song Baby being the most disliked video on YouTube. But a very disrespectful interview question happened when the host implied Justin Bieber should worry about Harry Styles and his mom.
Harry, you know, when he's around your mom, since it seems that he likes older women?
What?
Do I wonder what? Do you worry about Harry around your mom since he likes older women?
Yo, where do they come up with these questions? Like, what?
Nothing you should worry about me around your mom, bro.
When Nicki Minaj
I like
was
that.
doing an interview at a radio show, she
that.
knew beforehand that her and the host had some differences, based on comments he made in the past. And the amount of eye-rolling from Nicki Minaj was at another level.
Okay.
In a very criticized moment in an interview with Larry King, when DJ Khaled was talking about the material things he aspires to have, Larry asked a kind of out-of-line question.
House on the water. I want the nice car. I want the nice watch. I want to stay
But
fresh.
you should.
I want to stay clean. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that. You should strive for greatness.
How did you gain all the weight?
Yeah. Yo, I remember that question. Holy shit. How did you gain all the weight? That's so fucking disrespectful, bro. Man asked me that. Well, then again, I don't know what I'll do, but shit, that was funny,
Secret
bro.
that the Kardashians make a lot of money. When an interviewer asked Kim
How'd you get all
Kardashian
the
how
weight?
much money she made from a product, she seemed irritated and proceeded to avoid the question.
How much money did you make from it, personally? What? How much?
Well, I never talk dollars.
Okay.
Cents, I never do.
Well, you can talk rubles or euros. I don't know.
With Christian
Stupid.
Bale's Batman trilogy being one of the most successful of all time, the cast had to go through a lot of press after the release. When
Shit was
Anne Hathaway
crazy.
was doing an interview, the host seemed to ask too many questions about the suit she wore for the movie, and that's
Again.
when Anne Hathaway bluntly asked for the host's intentions.
What was that suit like? It had to be.
It's the same guy.
to wear, but it looked
Bro, it's the same guy that loves to ask what's under the suit. What's wrong with this man?
like it was so form-fitting, was it?
It was form-fitting.
Any particular
Are you
workout?
trying to lose weight?
Well-
Like, what's the deal, man? You look great.
A funny moment at the Jimmy Fallon show
That is a
happened
funny
when
ass
he was
question.
interviewing Adriana Lima and asked her to teach him some Portuguese.
I don't know why I thought her
And
name was
well,
Lima.
Adriana decided to teach Jimmy to say, "I wear a bra," instead of "a pleasure to meet you."
Say it again. Eu uso sutiã. Sutiã.
Yes,
I uso sutiã. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, let's talk about this guy here.
Despite Rihanna in the
Stupid
past
ass.
having mentioned in several interviews she doesn't like to be asked about her dating life, interviewers seem to not get the memo. When she was asked in an event what she looks for in a man, Rihanna was quick to shut the reporter down.